Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial we will know about how to drafting in CATIA. For that, first of all, we have to open a part. I select this plate and open it. Now select Start, Mechanical Design, and here select Drafting. Here are some options for layout. First is empty sheet, second is all views, third is front, bottom and right, fourth one is front, top, left. I select this front, top, left. Now select Modify. From here you can select the standard. I select ISO. From here you can select the sheet size. I select A3. Here you can select the orientations, landscape or portrait. I select landscape, select OK, again select OK. Now these views are coming in sheet, in drafting sheet. First of all, we have to select these views and drag it here at desired position. Now select this view, press and hold Control button, select this view and this view, right click, properties. From here you can rotate the view 90 degree, 45 degree, at which degree you want to rotate, and select the angle here. And here you can change the scale of the view. I select here 1:2. Now it is half in size. I select hidden line, center line, thread and axis. Keep it on and select OK. Now select and drag the view here at desired positions. Press and hold scroll button. Press right click button or left click button once and move cursor upside for zoom in and move cursor downward for zoom out. Now select this text of front view and move it here. You can also select and edit the text here, and you can select the text format, size of the text, bold, italic, justifications from here.